Hi all, and welcome to the video. Today we'll be going through Google Cloud Storage, specifically creating a Google Cloud Storage bucket using the Google Cloud Console. First step is to log into your account. Similar to AWS, you'll need to create an account with a credit card, but once you have your account created, you should see a menu like this. This is the Google Cloud Storage menu where you are able to create your bucket. To create your bucket, you'll click Create Bucket. You'll give it a unique name, just like AWS S3 buckets. Our name will be SENG4620 is the best. Next, you can click on choose where to store your data. Here you have the options of choosing multi-region, dual region, or region. For our purposes, we're just going to keep it on multi-region. Next is to choose a storage class for your data. So you have the option of picking auto class or setting a default class with standard, nearline, coldline, or archive. Auto class basically just allows you, it just automatically chooses what class you want to join. And then with the default, you get to pick what class you want to pick. So for our purposes, we're just going to keep it on standard. Choose how to control access to objects. This basically just allows you to set if you want your bucket to be public or private. Currently right now we're enforcing public access prevention on this bucket, so we're going to keep it private. Next, to choose how to protect your data objects. This is essentially just more settings on data protection, so all of this will keep the same. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you will go on and create your bucket. And here we will confirm. Now you have successfully created your bucket. If we click on buckets, you can see that here's our bucket right here, and here's some details about our bucket. Then clicking onto our bucket, here's our menu with our bucket, where this objects tab, we're able to upload different documents, files, folders. Here we'll upload a file. We will upload a screenshot. We have now successfully uploaded a screenshot. Here we can either download it, or we can go here and see some settings here. If you click download, it downloads the objects. Yeah, and then next, if you go to the configurations tab, this just gives you more details about your bucket. So we can see we have location type multi-region, the location US, the default we're keeping it standard, and then we have the Google console ULR, so this just takes you back to the bucket and basically all the settings that you enabled before. In the permissions tab, this just is the same thing. Right now our bucket is not public. Right now it's private, but if you want to remove it and make it public, you just remove public access prevention. In the protection, here you can add more policies to further protect your bucket. And in the life cycle, this you can create rules based on if you want to have certain objects delete itself or move to a different storage type. So we'll add a rule. Here you have the different options of setting actions. You can have a storage class to nearline, coldline, archive, or if you want to delete an object or delete multi-part uploads. For our purposes, we're just going to set to storage to coldline. Continue. Here we can set different objects, so essentially we can set different conditions. These conditions can be like age, when it was created, the storage class type. We're just going to select age, and then we're going to set it to 5. So essentially this will set a condition where whenever an object is uploaded to the bucket, after 5 days, if it hasn't done anything, it'll then get moved to the coldline data type. So we go continue and create. You have now successfully created a rule, so whenever an object gets uploaded, it has 5 days, and if it hasn't been touched or used, it'll get moved to the coldline data type. Another thing to add on, if you go to this tab right here, you can also see the different monitoring features that Google Cloud Storage provides. So you can see that all these things are like this. And yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching.